Welcome to Liberty Trail RV, where freedom, family, and adventure come together. We're not here to just sell you an RV. We're here to help you find the right one for the way you want to live, travel, and make memories. As a family-owned dealership group with multiple locations across Texas, Liberty Trail RV was built on relationships, transparency, and taking care of people the right way. From helping you choose the perfect RV to supporting you after the sale with dependable service, our team is committed to being there every step of the way. Whether you're chasing weekend adventures, cross-country road trips, or more time with the people who matter most, your journey starts here. Liberty Trail RV. Find your path to freedom.